You've just received your Haworth Zody chair from OfficeLogixShop. Shop. You're ready to unbox and install it. Step by step how to get your chair up and running easily. This is very important. When you're done unboxing, please save the box and the packaging until your return window ends. In case you want to return the chair, we ask that you package the parts and ship them in the same boxes you received. Inside the box, you will find the seat assembly and the back. You will also find a small box containing the arms and a small envelope that contains all the tools you need for a successful installation. Depending on the cylinder you received, the arms may already be installed, while the base and cylinder require assembly. This is a very straightforward process. All you have to do is push the casters into the base like this. Place the cylinder into the base and remove the cap from the top if there's any. Then flip the chair and insert the gas cylinder into the mechanism and click it into place. Caution: keep the zip ties or the plastic ropes on the Zody yokes until the backrest is fully installed. Removing them early causes alignment issues. Wait until the back is secure before cutting them. Take the lumbar support and insert the plate into the bottom correctly. Please note that the plate should face the correct way with the prominent part pointing up. This is very important. Next, while holding the plate so it does not fall, place the back in a horizontal position. Slowly slide the lumbar support into the tracks while pushing it up against the spine. This ensures the lumbar and spine cradle the plate so it does not slide out. Slide it all the way down while continuing to hold the plate in place, so do not let go yet. Once the bolt is threaded into the plate for a few revolutions, you can let go. If this is not done correctly, the plate may become misaligned, preventing the bolt from going in properly. Next, take the back and place it into the designated area on the seat. Then firmly push it into place. Now, flip the chair into a horizontal position with the back facing up. Take the plate that has the circular gap and curved end. Without removing the plastic ties, slide them out of the way so the circular gap on the plate aligns with the gap on the chair. Insert the curved part in the bottom of the back between the frame and the padding. To secure the plate, insert the bolt into the aligned gap until it's fully inside the chair. Using the Allen wrench, tighten the bolt securely. Once you have confirmed that the back and all components are correctly positioned and secured, you can finally remove the plastic ties. Now, to install the arms, ensure the hollow part of the arm is facing down, then insert the arm into place as shown. Since the arm is not yet secured, take the small bolt and insert it into the gap where the arm connects to the bottom of the chair. Tighten it firmly using the Allen wrench. Repeat this process for the other arm, and your chair will be ready to go. All that is left to do is adjust the chair to your preferences. Your Haworth Zody is now ready for use. Make sure to follow OfficeLogixShop and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.